My name is Mike Ledbetter. I'm a professor in earth sciences, and I got into geology by just a quirk of fate. By accident, I took a geology course because it was the lab science core course, just like we have here at UALR. I had a great professor, and about halfway through the course I went, oh my gosh, I've majored in everything else but geology. I guess I better major in it because it was just fun. I was hearing about things I had no idea about. I thought geology was the study of rocks. Little did I know it's the study of the earth and all the processes that have formed the earth and all the things that have happened in the past and where you find resources and how do you know where to go look. And it was just fascinating to me. And I haven't been sorry for a minute that I switched to geology as a second semester junior. It took 2 extra years to get out, and I have never missed those 2 years in all this time. I don't know where they went, and the fun that I've had doing the things I've done has been worth those 2 years even if I could remember. Oh my goodness, growing up as a kid in Memphis, I never imagined that I would have the career that I've had, go the places I've done, seen the things I've seen. It still is kind of mind-boggling. In my career, I've taught at a couple of academic institutions on both sides of the country. I've lived in New England and California and Washington, D.C. I've sailed the high seas, been to the top of the Greenland ice cap. I've seen kangaroos in the live, been to the Taj Mahal, stood on the Arctic Ocean ice cap a couple hundred miles south of the North Pole. None of these things are things I would imagine. If you would have asked me in Memphis where I would have been the rest of my life, the answer would have been Memphis. Instead, I've seen every state but one. I've been on 5 continents, visited 20 countries, been to several islands that people pay an awful lot of money to go to, but I was sent there for my work, and I didn't have to pay for any of it. And it has just been fascinating. I've spent millions of dollars of the government's money supporting research and done some of that research myself, and it's just a fascinating life. Maybe I've just been luckier than most, but I've really enjoyed it. The opportunities for geology today are probably better than they were when I went into geology, and a lot of different reasons for that. One, we're running out of energy resources and have to find some more, and who goes and finds the most of them? It's been geologists looking for gas, oil, and other things, looking for water, extremely important. Water is probably more valuable than oil right now. We just haven't come to recognize that. Geologists that go to work in hydrology, that search for water, are making a ton of money these days. And we're so fortunate here in Arkansas that a lot of the opportunities for geologists are right here in the state. So if you're as lucky as I am and you live in Arkansas and want to stay in Arkansas for a while, then you can go to work for one of the gas companies. They're buying our folks faster than we can graduate them, and go to work searching for gas in the Fayetteville shale play, or you can work for the environmental consulting companies cleaning up some of the environment that we've managed to mess up, or looking for water. We're running out of water in our aquifers in Arkansas. There's just so many things that you can do now. Some of those just weren't important things to do when I got into the field, and I think anyone going in now is just going to have their choice of all kinds of different things to do.